Hello. I'll be doing Learn to Be Lonely, which was not originally in Phantom of the Opera, but they put it as the end credit song for the movie. And it's quite low. It's an alto song, definitely. And I'm a soprano, definitely. So, we'll see how this goes. Child of the wilderness, born into emptiness, learn to be lonely. Learn to find your way in darkness. Who will be there for you? Comfort and care for you. Learn to be lonely. Learn to be your one companion. Never dream that out in the world there are arms to hold you. You've always known your heart was on its own. So laugh in your loneliness, child of the wilderness. Learn to be lonely. Learn how to love life that is lived alone. Learn to be lonely. Life can be lived. Life can be loved.